Crash course on Korean culture and traditions. An overview of South Korea's cultural heritage, including traditional music, dance, and festivals. Korean culture and traditions, an overview. South Korea is a country with a rich cultural heritage that spans thousands of years. From traditional music and dance to festivals and customs, Korean culture is diverse and fascinating. In this crash course, we will take a look at some of the key aspects of Korean culture and traditions. Traditional music and dance. Korean traditional music and dance are known for their unique rhythms and intricate movements. Traditional Korean music can be divided into two main categories: court music and folk music. Court music was played at the royal court and was considered the highest form of music, while folk music was played by the common people. One of the most popular forms of traditional Korean music is called Pansori, which is a type of vocal music that tells a story. Pansori is typically performed by a single singer and is accompanied by a drum. Another popular form of traditional music is gugak, which is instrumental music that features traditional Korean instruments like the gayageum, a type of zither, the daegeum, a type of flute, and the haegeum, a type of fiddle. Traditional Korean dance is characterized by its fluid movements and graceful gestures. There are many different types of traditional Korean dance, each with its own unique style and purpose. For example, sogo is a type of dance that is performed at harvest festivals to celebrate the abundance of the harvest. Salpuri is a type of dance that is performed to purify the soul and banish evil spirits. Festivals and customs. Korean festivals and customs are an important part of Korean culture. There are many different festivals and customs that are celebrated throughout the year, each with its own unique traditions and rituals. One of the most important Korean holidays is Chuseok, which is celebrated in the fall. Chuseok is a time to give thanks for the harvest and to honor one's ancestors. During Chuseok, families gather together to perform ancestral rites, share a feast, and play traditional games. Another important holiday is Seollal, which is celebrated in the winter. Seollal is the Korean New Year and is a time to spend with family and friends. During Seollal, families perform ancestral rites, wear traditional Korean clothing, and eat traditional foods like tteokguk, a type of soup made with rice cakes. Other important festivals and customs include Buddha's birthday, which is celebrated in the spring to honor the birth of Buddha, and Dano, which is celebrated in the summer to mark the start of the farming season. Top 12 Korean culture and traditions. Hanbo, traditional Korean clothing. Taekwondo, Korean martial art. Hangul, Korean alphabet. Nanta, Korean percussion performance. Pansori, traditional Korean storytelling. Gugak, traditional Korean music. Korean tea ceremony. Traditional Korean dance. Korean calligraphy. Korean folk village. Seonbi, Korean scholars. Ancestral rites. Now, let's take a closer look at some of these traditions. Hanbo, traditional Korean clothing. Hanbo is the traditional clothing of Korea. It is characterized by its vibrant colors and simple, elegant lines. Hanbo is still worn on special occasions like weddings and holidays. Taekwondo, Korean martial art. Taekwondo is a martial art that originated in Korea. It is characterized by its fast, powerful kicks and strikes. Taekwondo is now a popular sport around the world. Hangul, Korean alphabet. Hangul is the Korean alphabet, which was created in the 15th century by King Sejong. It is a unique alphabet system that is easy to learn and is considered one of the most scientific writing systems in the world. Nanta, Korean percussion performance. Nanta is a high-energy percussion performance that features traditional Korean instruments like pots and pans. It has become a popular tourist attraction in Korea and has even been performed on Broadway. Pansori, traditional Korean storytelling. Pansori is a type of vocal music that tells a story. It is a unique form of storytelling that requires a skilled singer who can convey emotion and drama through their voice. Gugak, traditional Korean music. Gugak is traditional Korean instrumental music that features traditional Korean instruments like the gayageum, daegeum, and haegeum. It is a beautiful and soothing form of music that is often played at traditional Korean events. Korean tea ceremony. The Korean tea ceremony is a traditional ceremony that is performed to honor guests. It is a peaceful and meditative ceremony that involves preparing and serving tea to guests. Traditional Korean dance. Traditional Korean dance is characterized by its fluid movements and graceful gestures. It is often performed at festivals and special events. Korean calligraphy. Korean calligraphy is the art of writing Korean characters beautifully. It is a traditional art form that requires a lot of skill and practice. Korean folk village. The Korean folk village is a living museum that showcases traditional Korean culture and architecture. It is a great place to learn about Korean culture and traditions. Seonbi, Korean scholars. Seonbi were Korean scholars who lived during the Joseon dynasty. They were known for their wisdom, integrity, and love of learning. Ancestral rites. Ancestral rites are an important part of Korean culture. They are performed to honor one's ancestors and to show respect for one's family history. Summarization. Korean culture and traditions are incredibly rich and diverse, spanning thousands of years of history. From traditional music and dance to festivals and customs, Korean culture has something to offer everyone. Key aspects of Korean culture include traditional music and dance, festivals and customs, traditional clothing, martial arts, calligraphy, and the Korean alphabet. The Korean Folk Village is a great place to learn about traditional Korean culture and architecture, while Nanta is a fun and exciting percussion performance that has become a popular tourist attraction in Korea. Whether you're interested in learning about Korean history or simply want to experience the unique culture and traditions of this beautiful country, there is no shortage of things to discover in South Korea. Poem. From Hanbo to Taekwondo. Korean traditions abound. Gugak and Pansori. Fill the air with a beautiful sound. Festivals and customs aplenty. Chuseok and Seollal too. Ancestral rites and calligraphy. Preserving culture anew. Hangul, a unique alphabet. Created by a wise king. The Korean tea ceremony. A peaceful offering. Seonbi, scholars of the past. Wisdom, integrity, and more. Korean culture and traditions. Rich, diverse, and never a bore. Song. Verse 1. In South Korea, there's a culture so rich. Spanning centuries, a beautiful niche. Traditional music and dance. Will make your heart skip a chance. Chorus. Korean culture and traditions. Unique, diverse, and so rich in visions. From Hanbo to Taekwondo. There's always something new to know. Verse 2. Festivals and customs galore. Chuseok and Seollal, a whole lot more. Asterisk asterisk asterisk. We hope this video has given you a taste of all the incredible experiences South Korea has to offer. If you're ready to start planning your own adventure to South Korea, please ensure to use our booking.com referral link. https://www.booking.com/index.html $aid=7989335 to book your flights, hotels, car rentals, local attractions, and more. It's an easy and kind way to support this channel and make sure you get the best possible deals on your trip. Thank you. Anhub Metaverse Team.